Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to use two WhatsApp numbers on your phone. So this is my WhatsApp and I want to add my another account. How I can do that? You will get to see three dots on your home page. Here we have to click, then you will get to see settings options. After you click on that, here you will see the option for this little arrow. We have to click here. Then there is an option for add account. Just you have to click there. And once you do that, you will get to see option for add an account. Here we have to click on agree and continue, and then you can type whatever number you want to add in your phone. And once you click on next, it is quite possible you will receive an OTP which you have to enter there. And once you submit the OTP, you will get to see this pop-up. So this is my older account which I have added. So here I am getting the option for restore and skip. So I will restore my all messages, and yeah, there you go. As you can see, I have successfully added my second account on WhatsApp. And if you want to make sure it, just click on three dots and just click on settings. Then you will get to see this little arrow again. Just click there, and yeah, there you go. As you can see, we have two accounts now. And if you want to switch on the first account, you can just tap on that, and this is how you can shift your account from one to another. So that's it. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.